Natural treatments for dehydration. In sharp contrast to the popular belief that dehydration is usually caused by overexposure to sun, there are plenty of other causes for the condition. So, if you're under the impression that you can get dehydrated only in the summer, you are very wrong. For dehydration, aka loss of fluids in the body, can be caused by excessive sweating, diarrhea, diabetes, vomiting, frequent urination, and even burns. After oxygen, the next most important thing your body needs to function properly is water. As such, you need to consider getting dehydration treated as soon as possible. First, drink water. Water can be considered as the best natural cure for dehydration, replenishing the lost fluid levels in your body in a jiffy. While drinking very cold water is not good for health, you can opt to drink cold water at regular intervals throughout the day to feel fresh and rehydrated. The recommended amount is 8 glasses of water a day, although you can increase the count if you are feeling very dehydrated. In case you are headed out, freezing some water at the bottom of the water bottle and pour cold water into it. This will let you enjoy cold water whether you go for the next few hours. Second, eat bananas. Dehydration can suck out the potassium level in your body, so better replenish them with the foods rich in potassium. Eating bananas would help you do just that. In addition to restoring the potassium levels, bananas would also help replenish the reduced water levels in your body, thereby keeping you hydrated for the longer period. While too many bananas may tend to affect your tummy, offer 2 to 33 bananas during the course of the day to combat dehydration. Third, eat balanced food. If you are suffering for dehydration due to the upset stomach, stick to the bland food for at least a day or so until the condition abates. Bland foods are easily digestible and would not place too much pressure on your tummy during this period. Excellent choices for these kind of foods includes rice, soda crackers, flavored grains, potatoes, and even gelatins. Fourth, eat watermelons. Watermelons are excellent remedies for dehydration. They are fresh and they are sweet. They contain plenty of nutrients like magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, sodium, and lycopene that would provide overall strength. But best of all, they contain a lot of water. That would do your body a lot of good in case you are dehydrated. Cut a watermelon into small cubes and eat them. You can also opt to grind these cubes and drink their juice. 2 to 3 glasses of watermelon juice at regular intervals throughout the day would thus keep your body rehydrated and strong enough to fight off dehydration effectively. Fifth, drink coconut water. Ditch all those artificial sport drinks and offer nature's own version of electrolyte replenishing drink. Coconut water contains plenty of electrolyte as well as mineral like iron and potassium. Furthermore, it has relatively low calories and can even be taken by diabetic patients suffering from dehydration. So if you're feeling very dehydrated, rush to the nearest fruit stall and get yourself some refreshing coconut water. You will feel better in minutes.
Thanks for watching.